Self-destruct sequence activated.
Hey guys, Josh bringing you another video for you guys today, and today's a very special one, and plus what I got here are two big boxes. I got one here and I got one here. Now I will tell you guys a little bit, and we will be unboxing it and setting everything up, and hopefully everything will go right and according to plan. Now what I was thinking is that we need something new to this channel, and to be a lot more better projects, and to instead of me making stuff by hand, this right here will save more material, and plus the material to buy for this is a lot cheaper than going out and buying a whole bunch of other stuff anyway. But anyway, I got this right here. This is the first thing we're going to unbox. And y'all kind of see Terminator right here. He's all, pack 8 is pretty much done. His toes are on, his lower arm right here with the muscle intimate, that's on right there. A couple of his fingers are on with the upgrades, but I will not be able to put the other ones on because I don't have enough for 4. So here's what we are going to do. I'm going to go ahead and make some room right here, and we are going to we're going to open this box right here. Now what this is, I ordered this stuff yesterday. Now I ordered this yesterday, I ordered that yesterday. It's right behind the camera, you guys can't see it. This is something I've been wanting to do for a long time, and to the channel, but I couldn't afford it until now. Plus I got a real good deal on this too, so let's go ahead and take all this stuff out. I got to disinflate these. Okay, a little bit different scenery of what we were just at right now. So what we're going to do now, you guys probably see the picture right here, and yes, this is a 3D printer. Now I know I'm going to get blown up in the comments down below. Why did you order this? It's a waste of money. That's because I've seen a lot of people actually making a lot of stuff with 3D printers, and I want to go ahead and do one and have one for myself. Now, what I'm kind of thinking is the first thing what we should build and 3D print off of this is, I think what we should is I've been wanting this one for a long time, but the stuff for it is a lot of money. I don't know why. But what I want to build is, as for like that right up there, the Sweet Tooth truck, I did make that by hand, but I don't really like it, but I just went along with it because I thought it looked pretty great. And I just want to go ahead and just do something of what I think it should be. But that's what this is for. We're going to 3D print some parts from this, and we're going to go ahead and set this up. And we are going to get everything out, which here's all the information for it, which I'll take a look at that later. And so what we will do, I'll go ahead and take everything out of the box. Oh, as a matter of fact, we actually do got some filament, so that's great. So we actually have our first filament. Excellent. I really like that. Now, what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to see about the directions. We're going to have to put all this together. So I'm going to have the box on the ground right here. And we are going to go ahead and build it from the ground up. Set that there. And excellent, I really like that. Here's the bottom plate, which is really protected. I'm very happy with this. Now, I did order this yesterday, you guys, and I got it today. I couldn't believe my ears as well because I couldn't believe it. Okay, there's the base, and it looks like we are missing something, unless it's in here. So, alright, yep, it's right here. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and put this together and set this up myself off camera because this will probably take a long time, and we'll go ahead and see what we can, where we're going to put this, which I do think I got a place for it. So let me go ahead, I'll turn off the camera and I will be right back. Okay guys, that took a little bit longer than I expected, but it was very easy for me to actually set up. Just had to connect all the wires and everything, and I also read some of the directions a little bit. So basically, we are all set right now. I just have to connect to push this into right here. That way it will not get caught on anything, but it can stay like that. Or I can use a bigger one, which I actually got some filament coming, so I'm not really worried about that. But already this thing is getting very scorching hot, so I'm really glad about that. So what I'm going to do is once I find a file to print, we will start printing, and it does have these little card things right here, so that's excellent right there. So, and I do got a case for that, so that's +1 for that. So once we get more everything on this together, it will be done. We'll start to print and see what we can actually print, see how long it will take. And but yeah, it was very easy to set up. It does come with some tools, and it does have some decals too. Now, I only pay $300 for this, but that's really not that bad for this kind of a size. But I don't really need a big one. I just need a nice small one. I can print something like this, or I can cut this in half and print the rest of it. And also, I can get a scanner, so I can get that in the future. So, but I'm very happy with the results right now. This thing is done. Don't have to worry about it. But I hope you guys do like it, and we don't forget to hit subscribe if you haven't already. And once this right here, once I get some files for this, we can actually start 3D printing, and we can actually start having some fun and do some really nice projects right there. So hope you guys liked the video, and also to the new addition to the workshop right here, a 3D printer finally. So hope you guys liked the video, and I'll catch you guys next time, and hopefully by next time I will have a file for this. So hope you guys liked the video. Take care.